Hi everybody, Mr. Silva Decals here with another video. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Stark Industries Vinyl Decal. This is from the Iron Man movie. At some point on this video I'm going to show you where you can sell this decal and make some money. So watch the full video and don't miss any information. By the way, I make videos every week about how to make money with vinyl decals. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Okay, let's get started. Alright fellas, as I mentioned on the intro of the video, you can sell this decal we just made on ebay.com. As you can see, this decal is very popular and is selling really good. Look at the number of units sold so far, almost 3,000 units. The images on the listing are okay, but you can improve them. And if you see the price, it's really good, man. $5.69 for a decal is a good price, believe me. So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and start making money right now. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.